Hello, my friends. Today I will show you what is BreakColorUI and how to set up correctly inside Oxygen Builder. And this works for Oxygen Builder and for Breakdance the same way. Okay, the difference is in Oxygen Builder, if you are using Breakdance elements, you can put the CSS in global settings. If you are using native Oxygen 6 elements, you can import your variables. Okay. First, my English is not the best, so I try to explain it the best way how to work with this tool. So first, you need to create an account and access to your dashboard. Let's create a new project. Test one, and let's create and open the project. We'll see this beautiful dashboard. I prefer to go to the dark mode because it's best for me. And you can see we have theme, colors, typography, spacing, tokens, and export. In the theme tab, you have page layout. Here you have your page width for your website. By default is 3066, offset 20 pixels, and gap 20 pixels too. And you have this option. You can enable different gaps for different mobile devices. By default, I disable this option. And this in this section, we have border radius. You can see the preview of border radius inside the builder. By default is medium. Let's save. And now we have the most important part. In this brand color, you can pick your brand color for your client or your website, whatever. And you can choose these presets. Okay, it's the same colors of Radix website. Okay, you can see if you go to Radix color, pick this color, and can here you can see is the same uh, palette. Okay, let's close it. And for this video, I will choose indigo, or let's choose a different color, jade, and save it. You can use your this color picker to choose your brand color or paste your color. Okay, very simple. Choose shade, save. Neutral colors. Neutral colors. Pick a neutral color palette for backgrounds, borders, and text. Okay. By default, gray is the best option for all your websites. You can pick other color if you want. You can see the color change is a small change, but they change. Okay, let's save it. Inside color schema. This is if you want to add a secondary color or other colors for your project, like orange, your color, your secondary color or third color if you want. Okay, but in schema name is very important to keep this name the same name if you change the color. Let's imagine you pick tomato and pick my color, okay, and create. If you export the CSS to your website and you finish building your website and you change your mind and I don't like this color and remove and change another color and pick another color. You don't keep the same name. When you choose another color, if you go to paste this CSS with a different name, your website will break. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, the brand color you don't have this problem, but in schema color, keep the same name. Okay, for these purposes, I remove and save. Typography. By default, you can see you have these options. You can preview it, you can change bigger and smaller. Okay. You have advanced mode. For my websites, I put these values. Okay. Uh, this option is for small devices, minimum viewport, and max viewport um, for desktop. You can preview it if you want to. Okay, you can see the values here and save it. For spacing, I never touch this option because already have the great values, great responsibly, is responsive. I never touch, but if you want, you can play around these values too. This is for advanced users, but I never touch for my sites. Tokens. This is an option if you want to make another size for, if you don't have the specific size for this heading, you can put a minimum and max pixels for your typography. Okay, this is for advanced users too. Let's imagine you go to global colors, you don't like your site main background, you can put green or the color you want. Okay, let's reset. Okay, and the most important part is the export tab. In this case, let's pick the first option for Oxygen Builder. You can export in the CSS if you are using uh, reference elements. Okay, you have this option to copy and paste inside global settings. If you don't have reference elements, you can export, save. You can export, and in this case, import your variables. Let me explain you how. You have three options: light mode, dark mode, or full. And light first or dark first. Light first is you go to our website, your client is seeing your website in light mode. If you are using dark mode, when the client go to your website, it will show in dark mode. Okay, it's very simple. And if you want to make download, if you can see, you can't see the download JSON because it's only available on light and dark mode only, and not in full mode. Okay, for this video I will choose oxygen variables, light mode, and standard mode, because if you go to download the enhanced v2, you have a lot of options. You can see these variables are imported to your oxygen builder. So for, if you are using variables, standard mode, if you use CSS, you can go through enhanced v2. For this video, I will show standard, light mode, oxygen, light mode, standard, and you can remove what you don't need. Maybe neutral, spacing, borders, page layout. In this case, let's remove comments. Okay, comments is this comments inside our code. We don't need it. And go here and save it. Okay, let's download the JSON file. Go to your option 6, import variables, and open import. You can see you are in one click the the variables imported. we have a small issue because I copy this block from the breakdance, and okay, this is not the correct project. This block is from breakdance. If you copy, you can copy any breakdance JSON file through your Oxygen builder, but you miss some options. In this case, in breakdance, this is inside advanced mode. We don't have this option inside Oxygen. So we need clear, and let's add a class, and let's add a variable to this background, maybe this one. Why this show me uh, because we have CSS imported, this Y, and let's go to here and go here, and let's pick the correct value. It's showing blue Y, not blue. This, let me save and refresh because I forget to remove the okay, the CSS. Now is correct. Background. Let's add this background color, spacing. You can play around like 15, play opposite, and for this play opposite too. Let's add some border radius. Let's choose M, and that's it. You can see in a few clicks you have your variables inside your um, Oxygen 6. The buttons miss something here because this is custom button, but you can tweak this if you want. Let's make, no, I don't change this. Forget this for now. And we have another option for if you are using breakdance elements. Let's remove these variables. Let's remove. So, and now save, and don't download option variables, copy and sync, go through your global settings, code, and paste the same thing, okay? Here we forget because we apply a variable here, but doesn't matter for now. And another option, if you see, if you are using variables or CSS, you have this option. If you right click in your mouse inside this input, you can see we have this Moodle pop-up, okay? It's the best and fast way to apply your colors inside your website. You can see if you want. For for this, you need to download our extension. If you go to download from extension, apply your extension, you need to go in first installation, copy and sync. And now, if you go to our extension, you can see extension status active, project load test1, the name of our project, builder detector yes, and Oxygen Builder, yes, okay? If you don't install our extension, you don't have this option to work inside your builder. If you use breakdance elements, you can see you have this option full, okay, and light mode or dark mode. If I choose dark mode, copy and sync, go to your global CSS, remove, your website is in dark mode. Dark mode first, okay? You pick the light mode. If you go to your website, you will see your website in light mode, okay? It's very simple. It's your choice and the fast way to import variables inside uh, Oxygen 6 or not. About the blocks, you can use every block inside your Oxygen 6, but you miss some settings in some um, blocks, okay? Because we don't have the same options uh, inside Oxygen. In this case, you can notice this grid is break. Let me let me show. Okay, because I don't know why, but I need to review. Let me open the preview of this block inside breakdance. It's not break. Maybe because this is in 3 row. Okay, but this I don't know why. You can see we need to tweak a little bit um, because we don't have the same settings inside Oxygen Builder. Let's try another block and go to your side. Let's remove this one and apply. This is working inside Oxygen Builder and try out. Okay, you have a lot of blocks, but in some cases we need to tweak a little bit to work properly inside Oxygen Builder. Okay, that's all for this video. In breakdance is the same way. You only need to go to global settings tool and apply CSS. Inside breakdance, we don't use variables um, like oxygen right here. We need to put our best CSS and use the same way. Okay. Thank you for watching and bye bye.